Welcome back to Nurse's Box channel. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Welcome to our video lecture on menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a process that occurs in females of reproductive age. It involves a series of hormonal changes that cause the release of an egg from the ovaries and the shedding of the uterine lining if pregnancy does not occur. The average duration of menses is between 3 to 8 days. The menstrual cycle typically lasts 28 to 35 days and can be divided into 3 phases, which includes follicular phase, ovulatory phase and luteal phase. The regulation of the phases of menstruation cycle and ovulation is through the interaction between hypothalamus, pituitary and ovaries. Now let us look at what occurs in each phase. 1. Follicular phase. This is the first phase of the menstrual cycle and lasts from the first day of menstruation until ovulation. During this phase, the pituitary gland releases follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, which stimulates the growth of follicles in the ovaries. Each follicle contains an immature egg, and as they grow, they release increasing amounts of estrogen. 2. Ovulatory phase. This is the second phase of the menstrual cycle and lasts for about 24 to 48 hours. It occurs when one mature follicle releases an egg from the ovary into the fallopian tube. This is triggered by a surge in luteinizing hormone, LH, from the pituitary gland, which causes the follicle to rupture and release the egg. 3. Luteal phase. This is the final phase of the menstrual cycle and lasts from ovulation until the start of the next period. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle turns into the corpus luteum, which produces progesterone. This hormone prepares the uterine lining for a potential pregnancy by thickening and nourishing it. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum begins to break down, causing a decrease in progesterone and estrogen levels. This signals the start of menstruation, where the uterine lining sheds and is expelled from the body. The menstrual cycle is a complex process that is controlled by the interactions between the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, ovaries, and uterus. Any disruptions to these hormones or organs can affect the regularity and length of the menstrual cycle. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.